Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I will show you how to turn your ugly Christmas tree into a beautiful Winter Wonderland tree. I'm starting out with just a 6.5-foot tree that I got from Walmart many years ago. I was going to throw it out, but I'm so happy that I did not. I'm going to show you how to transform this tree using flock that I purchased from Amazon. I have the link below. These are the items you would need. I purchased a 2-pound bag of flock, a strainer, a mesh strainer that I just purchased from the Dollar Tree. You want to get something cheap because you would not be able to use it afterwards other than for this. And then some gloves to protect your hands to get pretty messy. And just a regular bottle of water. Just regular tap water. And of course something to protect yourself, a mask. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first you want to start out by just straightening out your branches, just unbending them in any type of way you can and separate it. Definitely you want to fluff your tree because you want the snow flock to evenly touch each branch. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay, if you are able to separate your tree, you definitely want to do that during this process. I started off with the bottom part of my tree, and then you want to use your spray bottle and really spray your tree down pretty well. You don't want it dripping wet, but a nice amount of water on it so the snow flock can attach to each branch. Doing this, it does get a little tedious, but make sure you get every part of your tree. You may have to flip it over on the side like I did to get the bottom part of your tree because you want each part of your tree to really have that flock on it. Okay, I've attached the top part of my tree and I'm just repeating the same steps that I followed with the bottom half of my tree. Just making sure you fluff out your branches so you can get a nice even coat. When you refill your strainer, try to refill it over the tree so you won't lose as so much product because a lot of this will be, kind of fall to the floor and kind of be wasted and you won't be able to use it because it'll be so sticky. So try to just refill it over the tree. And that's what I'm doing here. Okay, the top half of my tree was really tight and it was hard to get into every little spot that I wanted to get it to. So I had to turn the tree over. I had to lay it on the ground um, and sprinkle the flock that way so it can really get into those tight spots. I feel like I kind of wasted a lot of product when I had it sitting straight up. So you may have to do this with your tree. Don't worry about the product coming off. If your tree is wet enough, then the product will stick and it should not come off. Okay, once you sit your tree back up right, you may see some spots that need some touch up that are missing flock like I see here. So just go back through your tree and do final touch ups to where you see flock is needed. Now, this final step you can do if you choose, but I like how the snow flock gathers at the tips of the tree. So what I did was spray the tips of my tree and just dipped it in the flock just so I can get that nice kind of hunk of snow at the end. Hope I'm explaining that right. Okay, once you are done, you want to allow your tree to completely dry before you decorate it so you won't lose any flock. I gave my tree a full 24 hours. Okay, guys, and here it is, the final look of my tree. I am so happy with this tree and the way it turned out. I'm so happy I did not toss this tree. I'm so in love with the way it looks now. I have that Winter Wonderland tree that I was looking for. Guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.